Everyone, hope so you all are doing it. In this video I'll show you how to fix device hanging or working slow in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.